Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished the JBI suspension, revalve, and rebuild on this Honda steering damper. Now this is being mounted to a KTM using a adapter kit. I'm not sure on what kit that this customer is using, but I see a lot of these things. They're pretty cool. The stock function of them is not very efficient, and by that I mean in terms of damping, so how much resistance you have when you push or pull on our little shock shaft, or we could call it damper rod. And because of that, at the bars you don't really feel much damping resistance, even if you turn the clicker all the way stiff. So just like many other shocks or forks that feature oil and valving, we are able to modify that as well. So we did that to this. We have been revalving and rebuilding these for quite a while now. God, probably over 10 years. So the settings are nothing new, nor rebuilding them, but it's cool to see that this item is still popular. And a lot of people still mount them to their Hondas. The Hondas, I believe, feature a mounting point for them. And then again, a lot of people buy them for their KTM, Husqvarna, or gas bikes and get a adapter kit so they can utilize this as well. Anyways, the JBI suspension revalve part of this focuses on making this little steering damper much more efficient in terms of how much compression and rebound resistance it provides when we push on it. So with the mods we did, this little damper has much more resistance when we push down on it. Whoop! When we push down on it, that's the compression stroke. Going this way. And then this is the rebound stroke. Now, when this is mounted to the bike, it's actually shortened a little bit. And when you turn the handlebars, it extends the damper. So when you're checking that they see how these work, you want to check it in both directions, meaning how hard it is to push down on it. And this would be when you are returning the bars back to straight, meaning returning the tire to the straight position. And also you want to see how much resistance you have when it rebounds, meaning going up this way, because that is going to dictate how much resistance you have as you try to turn the handlebars. So we're going to lay that down so it doesn't fall back over, and let's take another look at it. Information on the JBI suspension revalve and rebuild of these little Honda dampers can be found at ridejbi.com.